The reactor itself, you see everything on the right gets inserted into the vessel on the left. That is roughly 10 feet diameter, 20 feet tall, and that is one module that gets shipped on site. And so from the factory, we're shipping around 35 modules from the factory to each site per kind of reactor deployment. So that's kind of how we deploy a modular reactor, entirely making the plant in the factory and shipping it to site in modules.
And all of it can be put on a standard semi-truck and truck to wherever you want to. You don't need a rail car to do this. You can do it on a regular flatbed truck.
Yeah, that's right. So that was a major design constraint for us, is saying what are the mass limits, what are the size limits for shipping on standard roads in the US? And that was a major part of what defined our dimensions on the design.
Tell us what we're seeing here, Matt.
Yeah, so what you're looking at is the inside of the nuclear reactor, and the nuclear fuel will go right here. So what's amazing is it's about the size of a human, but it can power 10,000 homes for 3 years with no refueling. So incredibly energy dense.